Good morning, sir.
Morning.
What is the main motto of you putting the stall here?
Basically, we want to encourage the green power energy where we can avoid carbon dioxide by producing green power, our own power, self-power consumption basically. We have many advantages like, first of all, we are reducing the carbon footprints, we are generating our own power, green power, and we are self-consumption. We are generating our own power and we are consuming immediately. We are not producing and giving to someone else. We are producing our own power and we are consuming. And this is basically, and have a subsidy scheme also. Earlier, like it used to go through discount portals. Now entire India comes under one roof, like PM Modi Yojana.
Yeah.
From wherever you install, it has to go through PM portal only.
Okay.
Earlier it was state-wise, Telangana, Andhra, Orissa, this, that. Now entire India has come under one roof to claim subsidy part.
Okay.
So with this, we are generating our own power, green power. We are getting subsidies. It's very useful. As per the consumption, we can install the solar. For example, 1 kilowatt will give you around 5 units per day.
Oh.
So as per the consumption, we suggest what is the consumption. For example, 500 units, they can 5 kilowatts is sufficient for them for a month. So almost
for a month.
95%, yes. 5%, 95% bill we can reduce.
Oh, nice.
We will pay only nominal power, minimum power to the discounts. And the excess power, again we can redeem, it's like redemption. We can carry forward the units from the discount and we will consume in the next month. If we generate more and consume less.
Okay.
It's a carry forward kind of thing.
Carry forward. Nice. What is this model, sir? You have exhibited here. What is this model?
This is the model, actually the light is blinking but we cannot see it.
Okay.
You can see it.
Yeah.
Basically, it's a small portrait. From sun we generate DC power. In electricity we have two powers, DC and AC. But in homes and all we consume AC power, we need AC. So from sun we take DC power and these are the inverters.
Okay.
Inverters basically it is converter. It converts DC to AC. And gives the connectivity we give into our distribution boxes. From there we consume it. It's a very simple science. We generate DC, it goes to the inverter, comes out as an AC and connectivity to our distribution box and we consume it. And connectivity to distribution box, not to any device. Directly to AC, no. Directly to distribution, we can consume wherever we want in entire home.